Stand back! There's a hurricane coming through!
Oh, thanks, Ray. I don't know what we would have done if you hadn't been here.
Dang, the hurricane was her beaten to the punch. Congratulations, citizen, for putting out that fire. You beat me here and got the girl? What's up with that?
What's up with that?
Whew. Thanks, Ray. I'm ever glad you were here. My her sense was tingling, but I see you were in the right place at the right time, citizen. So let me get this straight. You save people. You put out fires. And you wear a mask? It sounds like someone's trying to put the hurricane out of her job. What's up with that?
Hey, I'm no superhero. I'm just an ordinary guy trying to help out.
I'll be keeping my her eye on you, Ray, if that is your real name.